Hello everyone, welcome to the RJS Medics. I'm FN Ronak. In this video, I'm emphasizing on cachexia. Cachexia is also known as muscle wasting syndrome. So let's begin. Cachexia is also known as muscle wasting syndrome. It is known as muscle wasting syndrome because there is a loss of muscle mass takes place along with extreme loss of weight. So this is a cachexia. The person is suffering from cachexia. Actually, cachexia itself is not a disease, but it is a result, outcome of chronic illness. Like for example, fever. Fever itself is not a disease, but it is an outcome of infection. We can differentiate the cachexia from starvation by assessing the muscle loss. In cachexia, there is a loss of muscle mass along with loss of fat. The both things are lost in cachexia, while in starvation, only the loss of fat takes place from the body. Now, diagnosis of cachexia. We can diagnose the cachexia by one criteria, that is BMI, body mass index. If the BMI is less than 20 before the age of 65 or the BMI is less than 22 after the age of 65, we can label the person as cachexic. Now, the 5 most common reasons behind cachexia are: number first, tuberculosis. It is a bacterial infection by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, in which the infected person becomes immunodeficient. The inflammatory factors like tumor necrosis factors, cytokines are responsible for muscle wasting and anorexia. This in chronic course of time leads to a muscle mass loss and gives an cachexic body appearance in tuberculosis. Number 2, malignant disorders. In the malignant disorders, there is a degradation of our normal body proteins and formation of abnormal type of body protein takes place. As a result, the body takes a turn toward catabolism. That means the overall catabolic activity of a body is increased. Also, there is activation of ubiquitin protease pathway. This pathway is a pathway of catabolism, takes place in muscle. As a result, the activation of pathway takes place and body becomes cachexic. Number 3, thyroid cachexia. In the hypothyroidism, there is excess production of thyroid hormone occurs. The T3 and T4 are thyroid hormones. These hormones are also known as metabolic hormones, which maintains metabolism. Due to overproduction of these hormones, the metabolic activity are increased. As a result, there is a weight loss occurs involuntarily in person. Number 4, anorexia nervosa. It is also known as eating disorder. It is a serious psychological problem in which the person have fear of getting obese. So the person avoid food under inspired suffer from undernutrition. So in the course of time, it leads to the muscle wasting and person with anorexia nervosa suffer with cachexia. Number 5, AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The HIV virus exactly attack on host immune system. So the host immune system become weakened. So the host becomes susceptible to superinfection and opportune infection along with nutrition deficiency, which chronically gives to muscle loss and HIV person suffer with cachexia. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.